Today I'm taking a look at the PREXISO 2-in-1 Compact Magnetic Laser Torpedo Level. So we got our instructions, and we have got our level. Well, the nice things I can see about this is that this level, you can actually see it's bubbled out there on the top. So that's one easy identifier to know that this bubble level is actually a very good bubble level. So we have two levels, one here and one here. This one can actually rotate, and it clicks into place. So it has detents to lock it where you need it to be. It does not appear that it has a detent to go straight across. Doesn't really need one because we already got that level right there. So we got 45. And we got 90. And we got 45 going the other way. It does have a magnetic base, and that is also a V groove. So if you need to put this on conduit, so if you're bending conduit, this is going to be an excellent way to do that. And that does stick on no problem. Now this does also have a laser on it, and I like that that screw is actually captured, so you don't have to worry about losing it. It does come with a AAA battery. Cool, so we can use that right away. So it's kind of an interesting feature. We do have a light on there, so if you're working in a dark environment, you'll still be able to see that. It does not appear to have a light for this internal one. But the real selling point is the laser. So you can see we actually got a laser line on there. So if we want to draw a straight line, we can use this for that. Now it does say the laser is 1.06 inches or 27 millimeters from the base. So if you drop that on something, you want to measure to that same point down the way somewhere, all you would have to do is measure 27 millimeters down from that laser, and you would be exactly at the same level as this. So if we want to hang a shelf or something like that, we just hold this guy up there, make sure the bubble level is straight, find our stud, drill the hole, find the next stud, drill our next hole, and that way we can make sure that we are perfectly level. It'll also just be great if you need to draw straight lines at any angle. And that did also come with a reusable gel pad, so if you just want to stick that to a surface, even if it is not metal, it will still hold there. So overall, that is a bubble level with a whole lot of features. That is a very useful tool.